In this video, I will guide you on how does WhatsApp new username feature work. WhatsApp long-awaited username feature marks one of the biggest privacy shifts in platform's history. It allows you to connect with new people, join group chats, and message strangers completely without exposing your personal phone number. The feature is rolling out in gradual phased release, starting with early username reservation so you can lock in your preferred handle before the global launch. So, in order to reserve your username, you want to launch open the WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings option. Here, tap on account. Now scroll down and find the option of username. Tap on that. Now you can either create a username or use your Instagram username or your Facebook username. If you want to create one, you simply want to type in your username. It must be between 3 and 35 characters long and can only contain lowercase letters, numbers, periods, and underscores. Now check for the availability. If it is available, then you can tap on the save option. Then tap on done. As you can see, your username has been reserved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.